today we have a special, easy, fun, different dessert for you. You've been wanting to make this forever. You want to tell them what it is?
Making cupcakes. We've been trying to do this since I was 4.
You're 5 now.
Well, we've been trying to do it since I was 4, I think.
Yeah, we probably have. It's been since this summer, since we've been attempting this video. We finally just now got around to it.
Yeah.
But without further ado,
we're gonna make our normal chocolate. Last time we didn't make it normal and it tasted really not good.
Yeah, I don't know why we didn't use my tried and true chocolate recipe, but this time we're just going to make it super easy, and instead of using a from scratch chocolate recipe, we are going to use a handy dandy chocolate box.
Yeah.
So what you will do is you will just prepare your chocolate box cake mix per normal instructions on the box. Ours has 1 1/4 cup of water. We decided to use milk instead of water because I like to switch it up a little bit. I think milk makes the batter a little better. All right, stop it. And it calls for 1/2 cup of vegetable oil and 3 eggs. So we're going to go ahead and prep our mix. You want to pour in the mix?
Yeah. All of it?
Yep, all of it. All right. So we have our mix in there. And now we're going to go ahead and pour in the oil. And then we're going to go ahead and add in the milk. Looks pretty cool, huh? Mm-hmm. And then we're going to crack our eggs and put them in. Go ahead and throw the shell over in the sink. You know what? Just so we don't get any shells, we're going to go ahead and crack the other 2 eggs in this bowl and then pour them in after we're done. Because I think if we lose a shell in there, it's gone forever. And in one of our cupcakes.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Throw those pieces you already have in your hand in the sink. Okay. Now tilt it. It's enough. It should fall out.
Oh gosh.
Alright. Alright, let me grab you a towel. We're going to go ahead and mix this up, and we'll be right back. We have mixed our cake batter. It is nice and chocolatey. And I want to add 1 teaspoon of butter extract. I think it would give a nice buttery flavor and complement our bacon nicely. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of butter extract. And then we're going to add 3/4 cups of bacon bits. You want to pour them in? You want to do the honors?
Yeah. All of them?
Yep, all of them. Ooh, yeah. Look at that bacon. And then we're just going to give it a nice stir. And we're going to fill our cupcake liners. And this cake box says that it will make 2 dozen cupcakes. So we're going to have a lot of bacon cupcakes. We're going to go ahead and put these in our liners and cook them to the instructions on our cake box, which is 350 degrees for 14 to 19
There's
minutes.
9 of them. It's going to make 9 of them.
And then once they're cool, we will return to show you the icing. Be right back.
I put maple syrup down.
Alright, our cupcakes are done cooking. It only took us the minimum time. Please leave that closed. It only took our cupcakes the minimum time of 14 minutes to cook. We have started icing, as you can tell. I made a yummy maple icing from scratch. You can feel free to make your own icing of choice. You can buy icing, or I will go ahead and post my maple icing recipe with this video. And I will show you how to decorate it. We just have a open circle tip here in a piping bag. You can use a Ziploc bag and just cut off the corner. It will make a circle. And what I've done is I've squeezed it and made a dollop in the middle, keeping the tip at an even height. And then once I have a nice pile of icing in the middle, I will tap it.
Not very tappy, but
on the counter, and as you can see, it kind of flattened and spread it out. If you want to just do it the old-fashioned way and scoop your icing with a butter knife and spread it on, feel free. It will taste exactly the same. So we're going to finish icing these, and then we're going to decorate them. You want to tell them what we're going to decorate them with?
bacon and caramel and maple syrup.
Yeah, we have some salted caramel crunch that we're going to sprinkle on some bacon bits, and some maple syrup. Woohoo! You can start sprinkling. All of them need bacon. You can start sprinkling bacon on them.
Oh my gosh, this is not easy.
Yeah, you just need a little bit.
Oh my god, oh no, oh no.
It'll be okay. That's part of the fun of baking and cooking. You make a little mess.
Yeah.
You know what the not fun part is?
What?
You have to clean it up.
But we can make it a game.
Yeah, we can. And it might be helpful to stop after you've done a few and then sprinkle it on. The icing tends to, if you're making the homemade icing, it tends to get kind of like a harder layer on top and dry up, and that causes the stuff to not stick to it as well. So if you just ice a couple at a time and then put the toppings on, that will prevent it from getting that little crusted layer, and your toppings will stick a little better. Alright, now I'm going to put syrup on the rest of them, and that should help the bacon stick better. Oh gosh, this is going to be a little bit messy. You might want to put something down when you do this.
Yeah. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! It got him.
There it goes.
Oh no! It's saying it. I'm gonna have one of the ones without bacon on.
Without bacon?
Yeah.
You don't want to put bacon on top of all of them? Uh-oh.
Sort of. I want to try one with bacon on it, but only for once. So, put it down.
Well, good thing we have plenty.
Yep. They're all for
So,
us.
we've learned that the maple syrup is a bit runny, so you might want to put something down on the table.
Yep.
If you don't put something down on the table, you'll have a little bit of a mess to clean up, but no worries.
Yeah. No worries.
I'm sure it'll be delicious.
I'm ready to try some.
You're ready to try some? As I'm still making a mess. I'm still making a mess.
I'm ready to try some.
Okay, which one do you want to try?
One with just syrup.
One with just syrup? How about this one?
Yeah, that one's good.
There you go. Let me know how it is. Ooh, this one looks good. Look at that. Look at that. Yes.
It's a little crumbly.
Yeah, that's what happens. It's just a nice moist cupcake. Oh, yeah.
You may be able to taste a little bit of bacon, but it still is good.
That is
Gooder
good.
than last time.
So you get a nice chocolate maple buttery flavor with the bacon after. So you're left with the bacon. It is super good.
No.
You approve?
No, I approve.
All right, well, we hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy making your bacon cupcakes of your own, and we will see you next time.
Bye. See you on next video.